Okay, so we're just about to get started. We're gonna mount the tracks, and you know how I do it. I'll show you as we go, so you can guys watch how I work. Okay, so we have the track in place, mounted to the stud over there, so it's nice and secure. We also have our torsion spring in place. It's a brand new construction, so everything here is brand new. Still have some roofers and painters working around me. And next thing is the door gonna be mounted on the track, Strat 1000. So that's what's gonna happen next. And last and least, we're gonna have a Chamberlain 1/2 horsepower chain drive just mounted right over there. So we're gonna start on the door and we'll show you as we go. All set, we have a Strat 1000 in place, torsion springs, and our Chamberlain 1/2 horsepower also mounted. Let me show you how it works. Let me show you from the outside. Oh. The only thing there is left to do is the molding on the side, but it's a brand new construction, so we're gonna have it painted first and then we're gonna put the molding. But we have a brand new garage door. It looks beautiful. Thank you for watching Reliable Garage Doors.
Hey, I got a brand new garage door today for a barn I've been building, and I called the guys from Reliable Garage Doors. They did a great job. So far, so good. Looks great, and they're just in time.